Mom, I'm so hungry. Can you make me a snack?
Sure, Rohan. You have two options today. Rainbow fruit sandwich or cheesy veggie pinwheels. Which one do you want?
Let's do the pinwheels today.
Great. Here's what we need. A tortilla, cream cheese, grated cheese, and some chopped veggies. Carrots, bell peppers, and cucumber.
Okay, first, what do I do?
Spread the cream cheese evenly over the tortilla.
Like frosting on a cake? Got it.
Now sprinkle the grated cheese on top. Then layer the veggies.
Wow, it looks like a rainbow.
Perfect. Now roll the tortilla tightly from one end to the other.
Careful, don't let it fall apart.
Excellent. Now let's slice it into bite-sized pinwheels. Want to try?
Yes. 1, 2, done.
If you want, we can microwave them for 10 seconds so the cheese melts a little.
Crunchy veggies. Gooey cheese. This is amazing.
See, healthy and fun at the same time.
I love it. Can we make this every snack time?
Of course, as long as you promise to eat your veggies.